Dear customer, this is Doorbell from beanvis. Today I will show you how to adjust wireless doorbell volume. Let me start this one. A few days before I got a message, customers don't know how to change the wireless doorbell volume. Today I will show you how to do this one. I prepared the wireless doorbell here and the white one. This is suit. So first one I will show you the button. Here is volume button. When you press the here volume button, press here, he will turn volume up or lower and cycling changed here. So let me check here. Plus this one. This is 100% the volume here. Let me check here. Plus here. %60%. Okay. Once again. You can change it here already. Let me press here. Press again. Okay, press again. Okay, and press. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. If you have any question, just send an email to me. Thanks.